runways in use. ILS runway 6 out of service. Bird activity vicinity of Allentown Airport. Advise on initial contact you for information X-ray. Leo Valley and Airport information X-ray 1951 Zulu, wind 280 at 11, gust 20, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 11, dew point -3, altimeter 3034. Visual approach runway 31 in use, notice is Terriman, approach estimated runways in use, ILS runway 6 out of service, bird activity vicinity of Allentown Airport. Advise on initial contact you for information X-ray.
Sierra contact Allentown.
So I'm at 2,500. Like, this is a little math we do. Alright, so I'm gonna do it with y'all. So I'm about 120 knot. Well, really 115, so I'm gonna just say 120. So I'm at 2,500. I need to descend. The field elevation is 394, so traffic pattern about 1,300, 1,400. So I'm at 2,500, descend to 2,500, that's 2,000. So if I decide 500 feet a minute, so 1,000, 2 minutes, 2,000, 4 minutes, right? 4 minutes of flight, if I'm flying at 120 knots, and so that means for every minute, I'm doing 2 miles. So for 4 minutes, I'm gonna do 4 times 2, so it's 8 minutes. Alright, so it's gonna take me, hold on. For every mile, for every minute I'm doing 2 miles. So, for 4 minutes, 4 times 2, 8. So I really want to descend when I'm about 8 miles to the field. You feel me? You don't want to descend too early or too late. So I'll wait until I get a little bit closer to the field to start my descent. Right now, based on the DME, I'm about 14 miles away. So I'll wait until I'm at 8. And you know, the DME gives you the slant distance, so I would say maybe wait until I'm about 10, and I'll start descending. Approach Royal 405, data share has the field in sight.
Number 5 Delta Sierra, roger.
Coming this way. I'm gonna grab a little bit into it.
3346 heavy on town tower, wind 300 at 10, gust 19er, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land 24, air transport 3346.
Ah.